Your team just spent 3 hours looking for one contract that was buried in the wrong folder. Meanwhile, your competitor closed the deal. Here's what happens every single day in your office. Files arrive faster than anyone can organize them. Someone opens each document, squints at the content, tries to guess where it belongs, then drags it to a folder. Rinse and repeat, hundreds of times per day. But here's what really hurts. While your team plays digital janitor, your competitors are closing deals and growing their business. Every minute spent sorting files is a minute stolen from revenue-generating work. 5 employees, 2 hours weekly each. That's $26,000 annually burned on manual file sorting. Money that could fund growth, not grunt work. AI File Pro eliminates this waste completely. Point it to any Windows folder, and our GPT-5-powered AI becomes your digital filing assistant. Watch this transformation. 50 mixed documents hit our watched folder. The AI reads each one using advanced OCR, analyzes the content, and instantly knows what it's looking at. Invoice from ABC Company becomes Invoice ABC Company 2024 March 15, $2,500. Contract gets renamed with client name and date. No human intervention required. Then comes the magic. AI File Pro creates intelligent folder structures based on your business rules and routes every document to its perfect home. Invoices flow to Invoices 2024 by client. Contracts land in Contracts, active, by date. You configure the rules once and the AI handles thousands of files automatically. Got years of backlog? Process thousands of files in one batch operation while you grab coffee. Companies report 90% reduction in file organization time. That's hundreds of hours returned to productive work. Our G2.com reviews consistently highlight how AI File Pro transforms document chaos into automated systems. Need to find something later? AI File Pro's search instantly locates any document based on its content. No more folder hunting or asking teammates where they saved files. Stop burning money on manual file sorting. Download your free trial of AI File Pro right now. Process 1 full gigabyte of documents completely free, no credit card required. Click download, install on Windows, and watch your file chaos become automated organization. Do it now.